Feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here are some words that will help. Explain. Describe. Recount. Summarize.
Explain it so you can understand it. Describe what it looks like, what it sounds like, what it smells like, and what it feels like. If you're recounting something, you're telling it in chronological order. Summarizing is explaining the short version. Get to the point.
Feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here are some words that will help. Sum, total of added numbers. Difference, what's left after you subtract numbers. Product, multiplying numbers. Quotient, dividing numbers.
In math, the sum is the total of the added numbers. The difference is what's left after you subtract numbers. The product is what you get when you multiply numbers. And the quotient is what you get when you divide numbers.
When they ask you what something means, they could use one of these words. Define what it means. Determine what it means. Identify what it means. Explain what it means.
All these words mean, what does it mean? Define, determine, identify, and explain.
Greater than. Bigger. Less than. Smaller.
5 is greater than 4, so the bigger part of the symbol is facing the 5. 5 is less than 6, so the smaller part of the symbol is facing the 5.
They want you to think about something, they may use these words. Reflect, think about it. Analyze, think about it. Infer, think about it. Conclude, think about it.
All these words are another way to say think about it. Reflect, analyze, infer, and conclude.
Are you feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here are some words that will help. Perimeter of a shape is the outside boundary. Area of a shape is the inside space.
The outside boundary of a shape is called the perimeter. The inside space of a shape is called the area.
What is a paragraph? The words. What is a passage? The words. What is the text? Wait, are you texting me? No, the text means the words.
Whether you call this a paragraph, a passage, or text, it's good to go back and highlight the words that are important.
The pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here are some words that will help. Is next to each other. Perpendicular is crossing each other.
Parallel lines are next to each other. Perpendicular lines cross each other at a 90-degree angle.
When they want you to prove something, they may use one of these words. Support, prove it. Argue, prove it. Refer, prove it. Cite, prove it.
You can prove your point with supporting details. These make your main idea stronger. Present your argument with some evidence to prove your point. Make sure you refer to the correct passage for your answer. And always cite where you got your sources.
Feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here are some words that can help you. The place value is where the number is. In the number 2019, the 2 is in the thousands place, and the 0 is in the hundreds place, the 1 is in the tens place, and the 9 is in the ones place.
In the number 2019, the 2 is in the thousands place, the 0 is in the hundreds place, the 1 is in the tens place, and the 9 is in the ones place.
Here are some words that will help. Compare, same, contrast, differ. Woo!
When using this diagram to compare and contrast something, the things that are the same are in the middle, and the things that are different are on either side.
Are you feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test?
Here are some words that will help. 2D shapes. Square and and rectangle.
Trapezoid and rhombus.
Parallelogram and kite.
These are 3D shapes. Cube and cylinder.
Prism and pyramid.
Cone.
2D shapes are flat. 3D shapes have the extra dimension of depth.
Find the evidence in the text. That means to go back and read the passage again.
When you get to the part you are looking for,
Use the highlight tool to mark the important words.
Here's more information down here.
Highlighting tells the brain this is important. Highlighting helps you find the evidence in the text.
Feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here are some words that will help. What is the rule of this pattern?
A pattern follows a rule, like girl, boy, girl, boy. This is called the pattern rule.
We use a ruler to measure shapes.
Not to be confused with a ruler. A ruler measures shapes,
We use a thermometer to measure temperature.
and a thermometer measures temperature.
You may have to define a word. That means what does a word mean? If you don't know, go back and reread the passage. You can usually figure out what word means by reading the words around it.
To help you define a vocabulary word, reread and look for clues around the word, or use pictures to help explain it.
Are you feeling the pressure to learn everything you can before the MCA test? Here's some words that will help. Shapes have vertice points. Shapes have sidelines. Shapes have angle corners.
The vertex or vertices of a shape are the points. The sides or lines of a shape are the edges. And the corners of a shape are the angles.
Remember to find the best answers. There may be more than one right answer. Take your time and go back and reread the passage. Then read the question again to make sure you are choosing the best answer! The best answer!
After you read the question and the answers, go back and reread the passage. Then go back and reread the question and answers again. Which answer should you choose? Eliminate choices until only the best answer is left. Good luck on your MCA testing. You can rock this!